I got the new AirPod Max. Let's unbox it. We got the purple color. This year, the update is very disappointing. There's only the new color and USB-C update, but whatever. Whoa.
So cute.
Whoa.